This is going to be my breakfast. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making an Italian polenta cake. This rustic cake originates from Rome and is made with fine cornmeal and Roman ricotta cheese, mixed with raisins and topped with pine nuts. Perfect for a sweet Italian breakfast or an afternoon snack. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. When cooking polenta cakes, the type of polenta used can affect the texture and flavour of the final dish. In this recipe, we use a combination of polenta gialla bramata, yellow cornmeal, and all-purpose flour to create a more cake-like texture. Begin by soaking raisins in warm water, allowing them to plump up. Combine polenta, flour and baking powder in a large mixing bowl. In a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, whisk together the eggs and sugar until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the butter at room temperature and ricotta cheese to the eggs and sugar, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly combined. It's time to combine the dry and the wet ingredients. Slowly incorporate the flour mixture into the egg mixture until a smooth batter forms. Once the batter is well mixed, drain the soaked raisins and fold them into the batter, distributing them evenly. Prepare your cake pan by greasing and flouring the base and the sides of the tin to prevent sticking. Pour the polenta cake batter into the prepared tin and level it with a rubber spatula. Sprinkle some pine nuts on top. Place the pan onto a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 15 minutes until the cake is golden brown. Remember to allow the polenta cake to cool before serving, giving it a chance to set up and make slicing easier. This polenta cake lent itself to be paired with different flavours. It can be enhanced by orange or lemon zest or combined with indulgent ingredients like chocolate chips, vanilla essence or nuts. For more no refrigeration cakes Italians have for breakfast, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I will top it with fresh fruits.